a drink and love's a drug. Oh, now I think I must be my user. When I was a river trotter, it came to rain and flood. Angels sent from up above. I feel it coursing through my blood. Life is a drink, your love's about to make the stars come out.
Drink from me, drink from me. Pour on a symphony.
When the low,
Okay, so my friends, I am here in a small island, and the thing is that this island is totally isolated from the mainland. There is no communication, almost it is disconnected from everything, because this island is artificially made by people, and the most peaceful place I have ever seen in my life. Okay, so let me take you to let me take you to these surrounding places. Okay, so here I am in a resort. I am at the roof actually. So in the roof there is a swimming pool. You can relax on the shacks, and also there is a room. So you can see right behind me is the rooms over there, and over there is the sea beach. Okay, so you can see the sea beach just behind me. Okay, the sand is golden, and with the sunlight it's just like a gold, and we're walking on the gold, the pieces of the gold. Okay, this kind of perceptions you'll be having when you'll be walking on the sand. And let me tell you guys, there is this small forest kind of things. You can see there's some trees and everything over there. So you can go there. This is green place, totally green. There is a green place, and on the sand this is yellow, and over there is a blue ocean. Okay, so in combination it's just like a absolutely beautiful paradise. So let me take you to the resort, inside the resort, and also let me show you that how people are taking the relaxation when they are coming over here. Okay, this is absolutely very nice. Let's come with me.
eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you,
like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one.
Guys, this is
Ordinary boy.
due to coronavirus spread, it is stopped now, but it is well maintained. You can have a shower over there, because before you come inside the pool you can have some shower. And that place you see, it's a dining, it's a breakfast area where you can have your breakfast, dining and everything. There is a rooms, all the rooms and everything is over here. It's a rooms, okay. So people, if they want the sea view rooms, they can take this side, okay. And in front of the room there is a lawn, small lawn, okay. So this is the lawn, green lawn. So my friends, now let me tell you where I am, which is that beautiful place, and giving you the description of this place. I am in Fiji Island. Fiji, one of the smallest islands in our world. In fact, you cannot see this island in our map. But you know, the island is highly diversified. The island is absolutely beautiful, very peaceful, very less crowd, and people are absolutely very nice. The hospitality just awesome. The most important thing is that in this island very less people are coming, because first of all the island is not that much close to India or any other places. This is a little bit far away, and mostly the communications in this time it's very due to coronavirus spread, it's really very difficult to come over here and spend your holiday. But somehow I made it, because I am a travel freak. I love to travel. By any way I came here and I am spending my beautiful time in this beautiful island. So if you can see the place, you will understand that why I'm saying this. Just look at this. There is a lush green forest, and this is the golden sand sea beach. The both combination you will get over here. Weather is absolutely nice, not so cold, not so hot, and look at the view of this resort. Just look at this view. So I have I'll put the description of the resort, okay. This is a 5-star resort in Fiji, and they will provide you everything. Just you can do water boat surfing over there. See, you can take you can take shacks over there. Boating facilities are there, and of absolutely great thing is that you have the swimming pool, resorts attached, playground, golf center, and also like you can play some indoor games also, like carom, snooker, everything, chess. So those facilities are also there in this beautiful resort. Okay. Okay, so guys, I'm feeling hungry, so I have to have some food because I have not done my breakfast yet. And after that, I'll catch you soon in the sea beach. I'll show you the sea beach. I'll show you end-to-end points. And as you know, if you are new in this channel, subscribe it, because I am a travel freak. I travel the world, and you will get all the informations. You will see the beautiful world through my eyes. And keep traveling, guys. Have fun.
It starts with I tried so